Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a DIY illuminating body oil. So I kind of was going through my makeup things and I didn't find, like, I wanted something like, I could just apply on my body that like had glow, and I didn't want to like spend too much money because most of like all these body oils that have like glow in it, they're kind of expensive. So I was like, why not I try and see if I can create mine. So anyways, if you want to see how I create my body glow oil, keep on watching, and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So anyways, let's jump right into the tutorial. So first off, you're going to need any type of oil. Here I have the Cottons baby oil, any container. This is like an old baby oil that is almost out, so that's where I'm going to basically pour the shimmer oil that I'm going to make. Then a fork and knife just to scrape and stir. Then I'm using 3 different highlighters here. I'm using this really pale one. I hardly use it, so I was like, why don't I just incorporate it inside. Then I got this one recently. It's like a very cheap highlighter, so I was like, why don't I use it for it. Then I'm going to just mix a bit of this Zaron. I hardly use this Zaron bronzer here, so I was like, why don't I just use it. Then a cup just to mix everything together. So basically I'm just going to like break up all the bronzers, and yeah, I will come back and show you guys everything. So guys, this is my DIY body highlighting oil. I'm just going to like do a little test again. So this is just how it looks. So you basically shake it very well to like mix up everything once you pour it into the container, but it's really shimmery. So I'm just going to quickly do a tiny drop on my skin. You can always add extra oil into it, like if you want like a fuller consistency, but this is the amount of oil I put into the highlighters that I added. So I'm just going to take a drop. So I'm just going to show you guys a skin test, like how it actually works. So just getting a bit of the oil, just a couple drops. I think that's actually a lot. So this is my skin before me rubbing out the body illuminating oil. So now I'm just going to rub it. You can use any kind of oil you have. So this is how the illuminating oil should look like. Your skin just has this natural glow about it with the illuminating oil. So this is how the skin illuminates. I think it's actually good. This, I was just experimenting and I think I really like the end result. Okay guys, so finally I just wanted to show you guys how the body oil, the illuminating body oil, applies on the skin, and basically how your body would glow once you've applied it. So guys, this is my tutorial for today. I hope you guys liked this DIY. If you did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.